Alright, hey guys. This is the first of hopefully 3 videos. All of this, this next series of 3 videos is going to lead up to a big project, but we're starting small today. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a whole bunch of servos and potentiometers and how to 3D model some legs that'll walk. I hope they'll walk. That's what legs are for. It's been like a week. I just finished modeling it. It's like right there. I don't know why the feet are different colors, but I'm gonna print it up and you should see it very soon. Alright, so the 2 prints I did just came out. This fits perfectly in here, right? This one, proud of this one. But this one, when I put it on, the mold fits just fine. But when it comes to actually screwing it, because I put a hole here so I could screw it, so it doesn't just freaking fall off, that didn't work. So I'm gonna make this thinner and print it again. But I feel like it's gonna be weak because this is already actually this is pretty strong, but yeah. All right, I gotta reprint that. See you when that finishes. All right, everything just finished printing. I was able to screw everything on. Friggin' beautiful. I'm starting to steal screws from my old projects because freaking only this specific type of screws work that comes in these little baggies with the stars. I only include one of the good screws, so that might be a little bit of an issue, but watch this get fully assembled so fast. It's just a cool transition. Just like that, it's built. And now before I get excited, I realized, look at that. You see that wobbliness? You see how this thing seemingly magically comes this way? It's not good. I told you this guy's a fucking liar. Friggin' beautiful. Beautiful. I have no idea how I'm gonna fix that. I might try to add another thing like this to the outer edge. And I think that actually makes it look better. This looks terrible. That looks horrendous. All right, I'm gonna try to fix that. The next time you see me, this will be fixed. All right, watch it. All right, present my genius plan to fix my wobbly solution. So I couldn't be bothered to finish this side, but this is what both sides are gonna look like. Just the foot and then a little peg sticking out for this thing to connect it. This is separate. It's just gonna slide on, and I really hope that'll fix that. You know how long it took me to find out where to put these pegs, but I really hope it works. But I'm gonna throw this on the printer, and then I have to go somewhere, so when I get back it should be fine and dandy. Then we'll put it together and it's gonna be great. All right, press just came out. This is so bad. I need to make these little pegs stronger, because oh my gosh, I just put this on, snapped off, zero, barely any force. And this is what it looks like right now. I'm scared to test my last pin. Oh my gosh. I really don't want to print more of these because this is just a waste at this point. I'll make 3 or 4 of these freaking whole things, but let's swap the motors out here, see if it looks good, and then we'll go from there. All right, it's a new day. I'm gonna completely redesign this thing because also I didn't think about this, but when I printed it, I don't know if you can see right here, freaking terrible on the inside. The motor barely wanted. I didn't even have to screw it in. The motor was stuck in there. So we're gonna be redesigning this right here. Everything we're redesigning it. Or maybe I'll probably just fix the pegs. I'll watch this montage. On top of making these freaking little baby pegs a lot thicker, out of this little like curvy thing, it should give it some extra strength so that even if like it's already thicker, but that should help it make it even stronger. Let's do that for the wait, no, because I'm thinking like if I have this here, it's gonna like if it's like put pressure on it, it's gonna bend easier. But I feel like if we could push it all the way down like that, it'll sustain more pressure and it kind of moves okay. What am I talking about? I think that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I want to make the other thing thicker. All right. Another thing, I'm running out of filament. This roll is filled when I started this project. Now you can see how much is freaking gone. I'll show you how much freaking how much plastic or just waste. Like this pie. Oh my gosh, this is disgusting. Completely unusable. All of it except the motors. And this stuff is a new project. Everything you see green is useless. Actually, no, I lied. The only thing that's not useless that I'm keeping is this thing. Everything else is just gone. It's just terrible. Terrible. I hate it. Alright, they just came out. This thing is strong, and this thing is too big. Like, it wobbles too much. It comes out too easily. So, I made another one that I hope is better. Let's get this stuff. I made the inner circle. It looks basically the same. I made the inner circle a little bit smaller because I don't want it to be like airtight. Put that right there. That is better. That definitely, this one, like, I don't know, I feel like it's good enough. It's so easy, it still does easily come on and off, but this one is just like butter, like, look at that. Alright, so I gotta do this. I think this is what we're gonna go with, and the best thing is that, like, I'm not gonna change this. If for some reason I do need another smaller one of this, I'll just adjust this and not a whole freaking another thing. But the freaking inside of this again messed up. So we'll print, holy slippery, print another foot, print another waist, put it all together, and then maybe finally we can start actually coding and wiring up the motors. All right, watch this. Smooth transition. All right, the jiggliness has now been lessened. This is good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The waist just printed. I tried printing them all at once and it didn't work. It was like kept messing up on the first layer, so I just printed the waist. And now right now I have the other foot and two new things that are the inner ring is a little smaller, so it should be a tighter fit. And I'm gonna get started on the actual wiring finally. Holy. But yeah. Alright. Wait, steady progress. Alright, watch this. Another transition. Watch this. the next day again. I just finished everything, right? This should be perfect. I really hope it's perfect. Alright, ready? Drama, drama. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Everything. I actually don't know how it's gonna walk. This is like the main control panel. All of, oh yeah, look at this little, it's like, I have to hold it really close to it, like kind of like that. I extended a lot of the wires with like a female to male wire, like this right here, the white and blue. But even that is still kind of tight on the length. But also I felt really smart for this. I found this Velcro patch. Look at that. Arduino is Velcro to the top, so it's not gonna slide off anywhere. That felt really genius. But I'm gonna plug it up and we're gonna test. You can't see my face. I'm gonna plug it up and we're gonna test it, and I really hope it works. All right, let me get it wired up real quick. All right, bang, everything. Not much really changed. Everything's wired up. This is connected to an external power source, like the wall, and then this is just plugged into my computer because nothing's powering the actual Arduino. So this is what's gonna power it. So when I push this button, I should be able to control it. These 4 knobs right here, the 4 potentiometers. All right, watch this. Oh my god. What? Are we serious? Are we freaking? Okay, I'm at a complete loss. I've swapped out all these potentiometers, swapped out all the motors, rewired. Nothing has worked. So I have one final idea that I think could work. This thing right here. This has 16 slots for motors. I think this will definitely be able to like. All right, the following statement is false. Do not listen to what I'm about to say. Handle or fix whatever, because Arduino, I don't think this was made to handle all these motors, but this is made to handle all the motors, and it comes with 2 of these and then 4. It's a better picture. Is what it comes with, so it's like not even a bad deal for 16 bucks. So we get this, and then it comes like Wednesday though. I really wanted to get this done today, or like by this weekend, because I'll show. All right, Wednesday I want to have a package waiting right here. Oh my gosh, I was just fucking around with the wiring. Look what just happened. Yeah. Look. Oh my gosh. Fuck. It's walking. It works. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. It's still a little fucking jittery. Like, it likes to shiver like it's cold. But it works. Look at that. I fell down. Oh my gosh. I just don't know how to control it right now, but don't fall over. Come on. That worked. Wait, hold on. That foot is up. Watch. I want to put the foot down. And maybe go forward. No. Okay. How do I get you to go? Come on. my gosh. I still kind of want the motor. Okay, no, here. This is what it is. This is. Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, it likes to have fucking jitters when it's in the air. Like, this is what I did. Previously, you saw when I first wired it up. Like, run the clip back real quick. I had a little blue wire sticking out, and that was because I was powering the Arduino from this thing. But I hooked it up straight to the 5 volts from here, and so this thing is hot, a little hot, into the 5 volts of here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry for this terrible camera angle. A 5 volt, I'll probably show a better picture later. From here to 5 volts, and that worked. Okay, and it worked. That's crazy, but I still kind of want the motor controller, because the motor controller, I think it'll let me I think it'll just be better. And also, I might be tooting my own horn, but like, I think with the motor controller, I could control it from my computer. Because I might be able to do it though. Oh my gosh. I might be able to do that with the Arduino, but I don't really know. I don't really know how. But oh my gosh. It worked. Look at this. Look at it works. That bitch walks. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my. Came. Look at all this. Came with 2 of the motor controllers, and then four motors. Look at this. Came myself. $16. That was kind of a steal, but I'm mad, I have to say, because I'm temporarily borrowing. 1 second. Temporarily borrowing this thing. Now this, you might notice, it looks pretty similar to this, and pretty similar to my Arduino. That might be because this is this is way better than what I have, and because this was free. This is useless to me. This is, I might not even touch this actually. I might save this for prototyping a different project. For now, this is going in the bin. So let's talk this, right? Many slots for, I got a freaking low battery. Many slots for this, for your motor control right here. See, I don't know if you see all of these, that's sets of 3. Every single one of those usable for motors. And then this thing, another thing, Wi-Fi enabled. So technically, the only thing that I would need powering my motors is this thing. And I also found another way through good friend ChatGPT. ChatGPT is fucking stupid. To make it even like smoother. So ideally, the only thing that will be actually holding down my project is this. So I'm gonna get my, oh my gosh, I spent so long on that wiring. I want to get this wired up to basically just this, but on that better. So I'll see you guys when that happens. Alright, little progress update. Good friend ChatGPT has been carrying me through this, but we got the board connected to Wi-Fi. It's like first step. Second step is going to be getting the actual like nice looking software to actually control this from my computer. Alright, yeah, see you when that happens. Holy shit, okay, it works. I just got everything to connect over Wi-Fi, and oh my gosh, it just like snaps, like as soon as I click, snaps. And that's good, right? But like, I want it to be kind of like more fluid. Like, see, this freaking, this is ridiculous. It kicks up. This other one goes up and down. I mean, it's like, oh my gosh, just hammering the table. Wait, let me reset to 90. Alright, there we go. It's great, but like, geez, I need to figure out how to, I want it to be smooth. That's how, alright, I'm I'm gonna try to connect this to power, see how that goes, and then I'm gonna make this smoother, and then I'll be right back. All right. Alright, ChatGPT has just blessed me with the worst software I've ever seen. This is what's giving me to control these legs. I've been explaining to it for so long, like this is like just nothing. Oh, look at that, thing stretches like a mile. How am I actually supposed to freaking... Look at that. That's, oh my gosh, this is just bad. So I reached my limit for 10, that's all I'm getting, 7 right now. I'm so close, I submitted my like STL file for like 3 mile for this. I submitted the STL file for this, like actual 3 mile. So I think it should actually give me decent control next time, but I'm so close, so like 9% later. Like we've come so far. But holy shit, this is just like ridiculous. You can shit on me all you want for not writing my own code. I have never even like seen jobs over 100 lines of just blah 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 using some library that I've never even heard of. So yeah, but soon this will be working soon. Alright, I'm going back to using my Arduino. I'm still keeping the ESP32, but I've realized that controlling motors over Wi-Fi and when you're trying to get especially like accurate angles like quickly, it just is not good. It's way too like jittery and like messed up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going back to the potentiometers and I'm gonna use my Arduino just to receive the potentiometers. I'm still gonna have my ESP32 actually like over Wi-Fi. It's just that that still might not work. We'll see. Basically, instead of controlling on my computer, I want to go back to using potentiometers, but it'll still work wirelessly. So, let's see how that goes. All right. Alright, just like that, the wiring for the control. Alright, I think this is like, that's like a controller for like your Xbox, and then this is the freaking, this is your console. Or I know this is your monitor. You're just controlling it, and then it's happening over here. So, yeah, should be better than software. So I'm gonna get all this set up, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I have everything set up. All I need to do is plug in my ESP32. It might spaz a little bit. It should just be connecting to Wi-Fi right now. Alright, so we'll switch. It's connected now. When I run this program over Wi-Fi, it's going to take my inputs from here and put it there. I hope. Oh my gosh, alright. Run. It's the first time I'm running it. COM 3 port is busy. What does that mean? Alright, I'm gonna fix that and I'll be back. Alright, I think I fixed the spasm. Really dumb mistake, by the way. When I was setting up these wires, I kind of forgot to actually power them. So we're gonna try it again and see if that fixes it. Run, hold it up so it doesn't speak. It stopped. I need to get some rubber for the bottom of the feet. I forgot about that. Never have I ever seen anything call my name more clearly than this old iPad case. You feel that? Look, let's watch this. Oh my gosh! Wait, it's not this part, but it's that thickle. You see this? Like, it's a little bit of pressure. That's some friction. That's some, and the middle part's okay, but the middle part is like thinner. Like this is thin. This is thickle material. I don't really want to. All right, I'm gonna slice this up into some rectangular pieces. Throw it on, and hopefully I can be done with this project. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do that. Alright, I think this is going to be our main thing that we're going to be working with. Just kind of quick size comparison. This is the bottom of a foot. This is how much air we have. I reckon that fits the back twice. Alright. I'm gonna roughly trace that with a, oh, you can't see me. I'm gonna roughly trace that with a knife, and then that should be good. Alright, do that. Alright, a bit of struggling later. These are the two rubber pieces that I'm gonna use. I just gotta think of a way to touch. I was thinking tape or hot glue, but I don't have double-sided tape, or I have hot glue, but that's kind of like risky. I might try to find rubber bands. I'll find some. I'll make it work. All right. Did you guys know that hot glue and rubber actually don't stick to each other? Watch this. Hot glue. All over the rubber, all over, outside, all that. Like glue. There's no way it's going anywhere, right? Well, I'm not gonna keep wasting more tape, but you'll see. If I just stick these two patches real nice and all together right now. Come on, bring it. I'll step on it. Here first. All right, not going anywhere. Look at this. One hand, I'll seamlessly separate them. What am I left with? White web-like. Oh my gosh, foolery. Like not a trace of hot glue up behind. And I don't think I have rubber bands, so I might be able to figure out what to do. Let's trip this. Oh gosh. All right, no, I'll find another way. All right, hot glue is one thing. I'd like to see this rubber stand some super glue. Oh my gosh, there's not much left in here. All right, super glue, rubber, go on back of tape. Tape sticks to the bottom of the foot. Let's give this a try. All right. Alright, here it is. Ugh. I feel like it's not gonna stick. Does rubber actually not stick to anything? Ready for it? I'm gonna attempt. Oh my gosh, I'm not even trying to. Just. Why? Oh my gosh, are we serious? I'm throwing it out. I'm throwing out the rubber. You know what? No. Oh my gosh, that has super glue on it. Does it stick to normal tape? Does it? How far is rubber meant to go? Here, piece tape. Slap it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I saw my tape. I'll put it over on the super bottle. Look, piece tape. Super glue bottle. It's not going anywhere. Gosh, they're horrible. Oh my gosh. All right. I've said that I'm done because if you make an airplane, who's to say you have to know how to fly it? So, as far as I'm concerned, and these legs work, I'm just not a pilot. So, this is the final product of my beautifully engineered mechanical legs. My gosh, the one time I want to show you off, you tweak out, lock in. Well, wait, is it walking off the table? Wait. As far as I'm concerned, that's taking steps. I think that means by technicalities, I've reached my 3 step. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh my gosh, it's about to fall off the table. Wait, if it falls off the table, that's my my 3 step goal. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like and subscribe. This project is a success. Alright.